What if I told you there's a quick and easy reset trick that takes just a few minutes, and no tools? Yes, you heard that right. No need to call customer service or wait for a technician. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll have your Simplisafe keypad working like new again. Here's the trick to reset your Simplisafe keypad. Don't just remove all the batteries. This common mistake can lead to more issues rather than solving the problem. Instead, follow these steps carefully. They are simple but crucial for a successful reset. First, open the battery compartment and remove only 3 batteries. Leave the 4th one untouched. This is key. Removing all 4 can sometimes cause the system to not reset properly. Next, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the system to fully discharge and reset internally. In the meantime, press random keys on the keypad to discharge any leftover power. This step ensures that any residual charge is completely drained. It sounds odd, but trust me, it works like magic. This little trick can save you a lot of hassle. Once the time's up, pop all the batteries back in. Make sure they are properly seated in their compartments. And just like that, your keypad is reset and ready to go. You should see the lights turning on indicating that the reset was successful. Now, you can continue using your Simplisafe system without any issues. If this tip saved your day, give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more helpful content. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes and tips like this one. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.